Hello dear learners, welcome to our English class. In our last session, we talked about singular and plural nouns. Let's continue our discussion on nouns. Today we will talk about countable and uncountable nouns. You already know what nouns are. Now think of all the things that you can count. Can you count the number of shoes you have? Can you count the number of plates in the kitchen? Can you count the number of members living in your building? Yes, these are your countable nouns. Now tell me, can you count water or sand? Can you count intelligence? No, right? These are your uncountable nouns. Let's not group words in countable and uncountable nouns, because whether they can be counted or not completely depends on the context. For instance, when I say there is some juice on the table, I mean juice can't be counted because it is a liquid beverage. However, when I say there are some juices on the table, I mean it could be apple juice or orange juice on the table. So the number of glasses in which there is juice can be counted. Similarly, I can't count water, but I can count the number of bottles in which there is water. When you are referring to a noun that is uncountable, you can use some, any, or much to describe its quantity. For example, I don't have much information on this. For countable nouns also, you can use some and any. Just remember whichever the noun. Some is used in positive sentences, whereas any is used in negative sentences. To exemplify, I have some bananas. I have some information. I don't have any bananas. I don't have any information. When you want to ask a question, for countable nouns, you can use how many. And for uncountable nouns, you can use how much. Like in this case, how many bananas do you have? How much information can you give me? That's it for this class. I hope this helped you. Thank you so much for watching the session, and bye.